Right now we are going to see how we can converse our funnel. So let's click on this conversation funnel, and when we click on this conversation funnel, what this funnel does is it creates few steps so that people can give their email ID in exchange of any kind of download resources, or they can even buy something from this funnel, which we know is known as our sales funnel as well. So how it increase the conversation, it will grow our list, it can sell online, also build brand recognition. So let's go and create our first funnel. So after clicking on that button, you can see that what do you want your funnel to do. We can create or build a list through lead management funnel or standout output funnel, so that when any visitor subscribes it, they can get a free or a special offer, or they can give their valuable email ID so that in exchange of any resource. Also you have sell a product funnel, full sell funnel, a quick sell funnel, also promote our webinar. So let's go and create a lead magnet funnel. So let's click over here and we can write or give the funnel name live lesson resource. Great. So now let's save and continue. So after clicking on save and continue, you can see that we have some existing funnel that is already been shown over here, and you can click on preview to see how it works. So let's click on the first one. So this is the funnel we have, and we can download it. This is the resource. So let's select the second one, the plan and send your first email marketing. All right. Or we can add another lead magnet. You can add your description. You can write short description. You can post image. You can even put your own resource file, and if you add and go to funnel, it will create. So right now let's go to existing lead manager. So it will be how to plan and send your first email marketing. So as we are related to life, let's find out something that is relatable. We in a content marketing, let's use this how to use digital ads to grow your sales. So let's save it. So this is our lead resource. Now, as you can see over here, we have the funnel. So what will happen when somebody comes to the link, they will sign up for the page, and they will able to get to download the file and create an email. So what basically it does, builds a sign up page features that will collect all the lead magnets, and then we will say thank you very much for giving your lead. Now here is your file, and then we can connect with their contacts. So let's start creating it. This is also similar, like we have created the website and also the landing page. So sales funnel is basically a landing page, consists of 2 3 landing page where we can show them and give them some kinds of resource. So let's go and create it. Create a sign up page. All right. So now you can see that here are few templates. Also, you can build it from scratch. So let's select this one as a template. All right. And you can see that this is the first template we will have. And this is our thank you page. Let's give a full name. Next step. And right now they are creating us a funnel. So you have to wait for some time to have this funnel. All right, great. Now you can see that our funnel have been loaded to our screen. Here, if you double click over here, you can um, edit your form. Don't leave just yet. Sign up. This would be our pop-up form. So let's save it. And after that, you can place your logo over here. You can just change all of this as you need. And this is the main place where they will place their name and email ID. And when they click on download now, it will redirect them to the thank you page. So basically, everything you see over here are exactly like same as we have built the website and the landing page. So I don't think you have to I have to do it back again. So just to give you an idea, let's go to thank you page. So once this design have been done, it will redirect them to this thank you page where we can thank them. And meanwhile, the ebook or anything that we are providing as a resource will be downloaded. So let's go to the next step. So on the next step, you can see that we have SEO settings, and over here we can choose our URL. Let's give a name as live lesson RS, live lesson resource. All right. You can even add your own domain. Right now we don't have it, so we are not placing it over here. And then the thank you page we have, and let's publish it. Great. So right now our landing page is live. So let's click over here and we will able to see the landing page that we have just now created. And once somebody put their name, for example, let's write Luther, and email ID would be Luther at live.com. Download now. And see, we have came to a thank you page. Meanwhile, my resource would be downloaded. Okay. So this is the first option, and then let's say thank you and share your file. So let's create a download page as well. Let's select this lead management template where we are gonna make the download. So let's write live lesson. Next step. It will take some time for us to edit that thank you page for our sell funnel. So now, as you can see, that our thank you page have been appeared, and over here we can just change all of these text, but we cannot change this place. We can add few more things. Let's drag it over here on top. If you want to add maybe a button, let's add a button and something like that. You can do it as well. You can delete it. So over here our download file or resource will be here. Okay, so after that let's press next, and now we have a complete live lesson thank you page. So over here you have the SEO settings. You can just change the HTML, and you can add your domain. You can do this analytic or of the platforms. So you can place your analytics for this platform as well. You can use Google Ad conversation tracker and so on. So let's hit publish, and we are good to go. So now we have live lesson landing page, we have a download page, and we are now gonna connect to our contact, create an email. So over here you have the message name. You can personalize the subject name. That's right. thank you, and so on. And then let's go to the next step, auto response settings. And from here, let's create a welcome template. Let's maybe use this template. So now what will happen? Somebody goes to our landing page. From the landing page, we are gonna thank them and give them the resource. And on their email, we are going to send this kind of template. So the editing of these templates are same. And then let's hit next step, and we are good to go for our funnel. So your funnel is good to go. Social editor creation and so on. So we don't need it right now. Let's uh, cancel it. Now we have able to create our life lesson resources. So also you can create an ad through this, but which uh, we gonna learn on our. And also you can add your Facebook ad, Instagram ad from this ad panel. So which we are going to learn on our upcoming lesson. All right. So now let's see our landing page that we had. So now let's see our landing page that we have created. Over here we will give our name, we will give our email address, and we will hit download. Meanwhile, the download ebook will be downloaded, and that's all we have to do over here. So I hope you have understood how to do this. And now let's go back to our funnel. So over here you can see that this is our funnel page where we can see the setting on show setting option. This is the setting that we have right now, and we have used this digital ad growth services for download. All right. Also we can enable the status of this funnel, so you can create lots of funnel inside this funnel option related to your need. You can use them on your domain, right? So now let's go to this lead magnets where you can find all the downloadable resource. You can add your own lead management as well. So let's go to this contact. So over here you can see that show contact, and under show contact you can see that our mail have been placed over here, and the engagement of the analytics for this mail, and we can easily use this lead to generate some sales. So now we're gonna go and learn about email marketing. So let's click on email marketing. Once we click on email marketing, it will take us to this newsletter option. So now we are going to create a newsletter, or we are sending email. So newsletter is one time sending message. So once we click on this newsletter or email marketing, we will come to this page, and we have to create a new email. So over here we are creating a newsletter. Let's edit its name. Let's give this message a heading: greetings for new life. After that, this is the email from which the email would be sent. You can also add new email addresses as well, and we are going to give a subject line: life is wonderful. All right. And we can also preview text as well. You can custom it with emojis as well. And then we have to add the recipients. So you can choose any of the contact lists that you have. You can select multiple contact lists or single. So after that, as we have selected both of them, let's put add, and then you can also design the content. After clicking on the design content, you will get few of the templates, and from that you can design your newsletter. So let's use this template, and we can put our logo. We can change all of our stuff. We can change all of our stuff over here. Share cool offers with your subscription and so on. And after clicking on next, this template will appear over here. After that, we can send it immediately, or we can put it on a schedule for later option as well. Use a schedule option. After that, we can just schedule that email option. So when I want to put this email, then it will take us to a new page where you can see that this page have been drafted. Let's go to this newsletter option, and let's edit. Send this message to all the email list that we have generated. And over here you can see we send your message in 53 seconds. If you don't want this message to be sent to a large number of people, you can click over here, don't send, or you can proceed with it. And then you have other options: send another email, or see message, opens live, and so on. So after this is done, let's go to another option, which is the place on which these all email have been sent. You can see it on live. Also, you can send another email as well. So let's go back to the newsletter, and over here you can see that the newsletter that we have sent just now have appeared on this option. So basically you can send a single email to multiple of people at once. Even you can create schedules for them, so when this email you want them to be sent in a specific time or specific zone of time when people are really opening their email. So now let's go to tool, and let's learn about auto response. So what is auto response? Auto response is a response where anybody signs up for our subscription or our email list, we are going to send them automatically few messages. So over here you can see that we have already created our auto response before. Let's delete it first. As a new autoresponder, let's create our autoresponder. After that, you can see that we have a form. On this form, give a response over here. First auto response. All right. So as we have done first auto response, when somebody comes to our email list, the first thing we will do is send them the first auto response. So which would be 1, and at the same time the auto response will go. Also we can select the days, so I don't want the autoresponder to be sent for Saturday. These are the email address, you can change them. You can put the subject line, welcome to our world. All right, you can also add design contents. You can select any design contents you want. Let's select a random first one. You can edit it, you can do whatever you like the design to be. And after that you can see here is the tracking option, and let's save and publish first. And after we do that, you can see that my first autoresponder have been placed over here. Also, I want somebody, when they have first got the mail, I want them to get another email after 3 or 4 days. So let's click over here, and you can see that on the first day we have set it. But what you can do as well, you can just create on 0, which would be the welcome message. welcome to live lesson. All right. So zero means that whenever somebody is signing up, we are sending them the mail. On the first day, we are sending another mail, and so on. Thank you for your sign up. Let's choose a design right now. Hit next. All right. Save and publish. All right, send it. So right now, let's go to this grid option. So as you can see over here, zero, which means that when somebody is login or sign upping on the newsletter, we are auto responding them as a welcome message. And after the next day, we are sending them another mail. So what I want after 10 day, for example, it's his birthday. So we are gonna send him a birthday message. All right. So let's look for a birthday message template. All right, let's use this. Subject title, happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right. Now let's press save and publish. So now if we go to this grid option, you can see that after the first mail, it will automatically send the birthday message to his email without us doing anything. So this is how you can utilize or manage your auto response through GetResponse website. The forms and pop-up tool. So the form and pop-up tool is a new integration to get response. So let's click on pop-up, form and pop-up. So basically, form and pop-up is similar. You have a form, and that form will pop up on any landing page or website. So let's go and create it. So what? So this will help you to engage with your site visitors. So let's just create it. So over here you see you have a button. Let's click on it, and you have two options in a pop-up, embed in a page. So embed in a page is a place where you have a sign up form, banner, and so on. And pop-up is a promo bar that will just show on top of your landing page. So any one of them you can choose it. So let's choose in a pop-up and hit next. So after clicking on next, we will be moved to the pop-up interface. So over here you can see that we have some pre-designed template, so we can grab any template. So sometimes you want to give a promo code, so it might pop up. Also you want to collect email as well. So let's just try to use this promo code one, use template, and when we click on it we will get this template. Over here we can change it, grab it before it gone, and you can give a title, description, and the promo code. For example, the promo code would be, let's create the promo code first. So over here we want to type the promo code, life lesson 10. All right, and now let's create our promo code. And over here we have able to create the promo code. Now let's hit next. And after that we have the rules where we can justify when this pop-up will appear. So first we have audience, pick which visitor we want. So let's choose the audience visitor. For only new visitor who are visiting our website, we can choose them. or only the returning one. So let's select the only new. So anybody who is new to our website or landing page, we are giving them a promo. Then for device, you can choose mobile or desktop or both. So let's keep it as all, and you can even select by country. So let's select all as all selected, and then hit save. After that, we have trigger. So let's choose some of the trigger. So when you trigger, be sure to pick at least one trigger. After n second, let visitors spend some time on your first page. So if any visitors stay on our page for some time, we will give the promo code, and here is the time. So if he stays for 10 seconds, we will give them a promo code, or we can also give after scrolling. So if they scroll for 25% percent of the website or 50%, that code will come up. Or we can also give on exit initial. So whenever somebody is going to close it, they will get a promo code before the website get closed. Or if they are inactive for 10 or 20 seconds or whatever time it is. So for now, I want to just keep it for after scrolling 50% of the website, and we will hit save. Also, we can place timing. So we can schedule display immediately after publishing, or we can give a starting date and an end date. Immediately, we want this pop-up to show in our website. All right, so let's now save it, and then let's go and do next. So after going to the next page, we have to place our website link. So what we have to do, we have to go to our website. Let's you can go to landing page or web builder. Let's go to the landing page, and you can see that we have so many landing page, but actually we have created only one, right? As a design for landing page, but other landing page have appeared because we had created some sales panel or sales funnel. So let's just copy this link, copy it, and let's paste it over here. Great. Also, you can specify pages. So if your website have a home page, a contact page, about us page, shop page, you can just identify that URL, paste it over here, and it will start working from that moment. Also, you have web connect. So if you have for example WordPress, any other CMS or hand code, you can just use this web connect for that. So now let's save and publish it. All right, so now we have published our promo code over here, and down below we have general performance for this pop-up. So let's go to this website and see whether this works or not. So this is our landing page, and when I go down to 50%, it should work, right? But it is not working. Why? Because we have to place that header portion over here. So let's go to edit setting. Let's click on get web connect, and we have to paste this on the landing page or our website. Even for WordPress or any other CMS content, we have to place this code on the header. So let's copy it and go to our page, landing page, and let's go edit this page. So as you can see, it will take some time. We have to place that code on the landing page. How we can add the pop-up? We have to go to this custom code over here. Let's place this custom code over here, and we have to paste all the code. And after pasting the code, hit save, right? And let's go next. And let's publish the website. Let's go and view our landing page. So if we go down over here, let's refresh it, and let's go down below, and you can see that the form and the pop-up have appeared. So we can also change this design, and through this way we can create a pop-up form. Also, let's go to this tool form. So it might be confusing to you, forms and pop-up and forms. Basically the forms have a option where it pop up from the website, like we have seen over here, right? But this form have more customization option rather than form and pop-up. So the form we can create it by ourselves. So let's go and create form, and we can write HTML code. If you are good with HTML and CSS, you can design exactly how you want, or you can use this template. For now, let's select any one of them. And the basic thing is that, and using this form have more. So after creating it, you can um, write your own code. You can also use list builder application. You can integrate your form through this, or you can use this kind of form which are more customizable. All right. So as you can see that we have covered up contact, email marketing, website builder, landing page, forms and pop-up, forms, and webinar as well. So let's go and see what report does. So on the report area, we have all kind of report that happen in our website. So for example, general performance, delivery rate, open rate, click rate. So how many people are clicking, or spam component, bounce rate, how many people came and just went away. All of those analytics will be shown here properly, and you can just generate this through your all contact list or websites as well. So now let's see other tool that we haven't covered yet. We have e-commerce tool. Let's go to e-commerce tool. And on e-commerce tool, we already had created one, but let's delete it. Yes, delete. All right. So what it will do is, if you want to sell any product through GetResponse website, or you want to integrate with um, WooCommerce, Magento, Shopify, you can simply connect it from here, and you can set your sales funnel through this platform as well. Then when your order comes, it will show up over here. Quick transaction emails support you'll get from this section as well. So right now we are not creating any e-commerce tool. So let's go to tools, and we can see paid ads. So what are paid ads? So paid ads are those ads where we do digital marketing for in Facebook, Google AdSense. We can add them. So advertise on Google and Facebook. We can just add our Google ad account and Facebook ad account with this platform, and very easily you can generate or have all kind of analytics for your advertisement. After that, we have this chat option. So what does this chat option does is, so we have to go to website builder, and from there we will open our website link, and we can find out what that chat tool will help us out. So down below you can see got question. If I click over here, and we got chat box, right? So on this chat box, if I write hello and hit enter, somebody need to reply us back, and that reply we will get from tools chat. And on chat we can see that a visitor have replied us hello, and then let's reply how are you. And if we go to our website, we can see that very easily we are able to uh, instantly give text message to them. So this is what your chat tool will help you out to do. So after that we have web push notification. So let's see what this tool. So let's see that tool. So stay connected with your site visitor through push message. So what exactly it does, it will give some push message to the visitor for your website. You can add this to your site as well. Then you have file and images. So basically on this file and images you can put all of your documents, and through these URLs you can very easily uh, let's copy this URL. If we paste it over here, you can see that file will appear over here, an old gentleman dancing, right? So all of the file will be saved over here. Then let's go to this integration and API. So this integration and API will help all the third-party apps like WooCommerce, Magento, Amazon, and so on to integrate with GetResponse account. And then we have Webhook. So Webhook let you pass information about what help happens in your list to any existing system. Also, we have Web Connect. So Web Connect is the integration code that you can apply it so that you can generate all kind of pop-up and so on. So most of the part we have covered up. So now let's go to automation. We have done this automation option once, but which was really easy. But we want to create some sophisticated rules where maybe we don't want to send them email depending on days. Like today, I'm sending one mail. Tomorrow, I'm gonna send him another. Not like that, but depending on his activities on the website, we will able to send them promo codes or the email that they are interested in. So that will help us to make a good sell channel or funnel for them. So now let's create a workflow. So after clicking on that button, we get this kind of workflow. You have few templates like win back, list clearing through tag, simple welcome message, but let's build it from scratch. So let's start now. So as you can see that they will show you some of the guide. So as we are going to try. So what I want to do is, if somebody is subscribed, let's first give a name like lesson. And if somebody subscribe to live lesson, we will send them a message. All right. So let's select subscription. And on the subscription, I want to send them a message. So anybody subscribe to live lesson, we will send them a message and connect it. So on this subscription, there are few options. So first option is select the list. So I don't I will specify a list, a live lesson. This is my specify list. If somebody subscribe to live lesson um, from any method, there are few more methods over here, but I want them to have any method. We will send them a message. So here is the message option where we can select newsletter. After that, we will select a message that we have created earlier. Greeting for new life. All right. And we can select other list live lesson, apply, and okay. And we can edit message as well. All right. So what happens if somebody opens this message? So what happens if somebody open the message? Let's connect this with newsletter open. We will send them a message, or we can move them to a list. So let's send them a message. All right. Let's connect it. Or if he doesn't open the message, we might send them another type of message as well, so that they, when they open, they get some kind of surprise. So right now you can place any type of message you want with the same options. And if somebody doesn't open but you want to put their email subscription to a different list, you can just bring this move list over here and place it over there. So what it will does, if somebody subscribe to live lesson, we send them a message, and from that message, if he opens, they get another message. From another message, we might give them some purchase detail as well. So through this way you can very easily generate some automation. So when somebody gradually get connected with your website or the sales funnel, you just move him until you achieve your goal. We can use JavaScript. Let's just remove it for now. All right, so let's save and publish. And after that we have able to create our workflow, which will help us to designate our viewers to give them a direction where they're heading. So this is a thorough view of GetResponse.com website and all of their tools, how you can use it. I hope this lesson will help you out to use GetResponse effectively.